Hi guys, this is Omar. In this video, I'll be talking about the portable tire inflator air pump. I thought this is a very interesting tool to buy online. I don't know if it's gonna work well, but if it works, that's gonna be super cool to always have this tire deflator in your car. So if anything happened to you on the road, you can always put air in your tire, or you don't have to go and pay for air every time you go to gas station. You would have one with you in the car. So let's get right into it.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
How many boxes are there? Okay. So this is the box. Let's go ahead and open it.
Alright. So this is how this tool looks like. Looks like it came with a set of tools that you can use to pump air into whatever. So you can use the 12 volt thing, so you can plug it into the car and use it anywhere. And here's the thing that you can plug into your car. There's like extra wire inside. So here it is, and I'll be next using it in the car, so I might also use it multiple times in this video to see if it can hold, if it's a real deal, I guess. Okay, let's go try this stuff. Not this. That's so bad. Okay, so first thing we gotta do is turn the ignition on. Okay, then we have to plug this in. I have so many stuff. Okay, I plugged that in on it all the way. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, it's scary. Yeah, it works. Okay, let's go try it. So here is, it's hard to do it with one hand. So you have to make sure that this is open. This is closed. This is open. Okay, we stick it like that, and then we close it, I guess, like that. We set how much we want to pump in. So for my tire it's 35 psi. What is that? Oh, hold on. Oh, there's a light. I didn't see that. Okay. So, okay, anyway. Let's push that up. Okay, so with this you control the unit. So that's bar. That's kilopascal. I don't know if you can see that. That's kilopascal. That's whatever I was using. And here's PSI, finally. Oh my god. Okay, so I need it to be 35. Okay, here we go. I figured that out. Okay, so Now we turn it on. Okay, that's 39.5. That's a lot. Actually, yeah, I put so much. So the problem with it is that it's like so slow and it's not easy to work with. But yeah, anyway, I will have more comments about that later. So in conclusion, after I tried it for a lot of times, this stayed with me for almost 4 or 5 months. So I used it pretty much a lot, and I had also some problems with my tires, and I had to use it. I was forced to use it. Um, I would say it's 5 out of 10. It works. It does the job, but it's so hard to deal with. Every time you have to change the unit, it resets. So if you change it from bar to PSI to any other unit, um, you have to start over and put whatever pressure you need to put inside of your tires. One other thing, if it's already on and you're putting air inside of your tire, you can't change. Like for example, let's say you want to put 35 psi inside of your tire. If you want to raise it up to 38, it shuts off. You have to turn it off, put it to 38, and then turn it back on. So I don't know. For $20, you get this. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of product reviews, please let me know in the comments. I will try to post more videos when I have time to. And see you in the next video.